Alright, workmen and women often wear work boots with a reinforced steel toe in order to protect their toes from falling objects. A bricklayer drops a brick from a height of 1.56 meters directly onto their foot. Calculate the speed with which the brick strikes the bricklayers. Right, so let's write some facts down. So my S is 1.56 meters. The V is what I'm trying to find. So my V naught would be starting at 0. My A is negative 9.8 meters per second. Alright, so we don't have the value of T. T is missing, so I'm going to use this equation. V squared is V naught squared plus 28S, as it doesn't have a T. I'm going to substitute those values in. Alright, so there we go. 2 lots of negative 9.8 and then 1.56. So my V squared will be, or my V will just be a square root of that. So I'm just going to square root that. Alrighty, so let's have a look. So that will be 30.6 meters per second. Alright, calculate the time given taken for the brick to fall 1.56 meters. So time is what we're trying to find. S is 1.56. My V is my V naught is 0, obviously, because when it stops. My A is negative 9.8 meters per second. So I'll use V is missing, so I'll use this equation. Just because, you know, I mean, technically I do know the V, but I'm trying to not use values that I found, just in case I've actually done it wrong. So it kind of ensures, even if you get that part A wrong, you still will get the part B right. So this one turns into a 0, half, negative 9.8 T squared. Alright, so that will be T squared equals, I'm going to get rid of that, so 1.56 times 2 divided by 9.8, and all I have to do is square root it. So if I just chuck that in the calculator, I get 0.564 seconds.